The Indian automotive industry is one of the fastest growing industries in the world and is soon poised to be the third largest globally. Now, with such an immense growth, it's natural to expect that there will be a massive amount of new vehicles rolling in. Now, such a large number of vehicles naturally means you'll need more people to make them, more people to service them, and more people to maintain them. And that means more people need to be skilled for this job. That, however, isn't as easy as it sounds, because the curriculum in most of the ITIs and the other professional training institutes isn't up to date, which means what the students are being taught in these institutes isn't exactly the kind of technology that car makers are using today. And that means companies need to invest to reskill these people. That means a lot of time and money invested again. The answer to this problem then is to have a collaborative effort from the institutes and from the industry, so that there is modern curriculum coming in which the students can grasp and give help to the industry. And we are today at such an initiative. What you can see behind me is the Maruti Suzuki GIM, which is the Japan India Institute of Manufacturing. Now, this facility has been set up in the Ganpat Institute near Ahmedabad in the city of Mehsana, and this has been supported by Maruti Suzuki. Now, what really makes a difference in such an institute, and what is the different kind of education that is imparted to these students before they hit the assembly line or probably become a mechanic or go into the fields of denting, welding? Well, that's what we are here to find out. So just follow us in.
Good afternoon, I am A.K. Tomar. I am Executive Director in Maruti Corporate Planning Office. Today we are standing in GIM and in the Japanese Institute of Manufacturing. Basically, this was formed with the dream of our great Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. He wanted a dream that we should skill India. So based on his dream, both the government of Japan and government of India, they came together in November 2016, joined hands, and they signed a memorandum of cooperation that we will train almost 30,000 youths and skill them in the Japanese technology and the software skills. Now, based on this dream of GIM was formed, and since we were looking for a partner, so we landed in Gujarat, where Ganpat University, they offered this available infrastructure, and we, in partnership with the Ganpat University, Maruti Suzuki and Ganpat Suzuki formed this GIM. Now, we have very unique features in this GIM. One of the unique features is that one is the NCVT courses, which are government recommended courses, but we have topped up these courses with our Japanese related technology, whether it is a Japanese software skill or Japanese technology have been added on it. All Japanese technology manufacturing processes also being taught.
A quick tour through the campus made it evident that the training setup here was quite different than what we had seen in some other ITIs, where Maruti Suzuki plays a part in enhancing the curriculum for the students. The biggest difference here was that students in GIM are trained to be readily employable at the end of their course. Students can choose from a range of specializations in later stages of their course depending on their skills. Options include mechanic motor vehicle, mechanic auto body painting, mechanic auto body repair, welding, fitter, electrician, mechanic diesel engine, and driver cum mechanic. This center is unique in the way that students get to work on actual cars and systems, and there's a replica of an assembly line too. This allows the students to understand the actual factors involving the floor work. In addition, the students are taught soft skills and safety practices, both of which go a long way in developing a successful and sustainable career. Once the course is over, students are placed according to their specialization skills, and employment is not restricted to Maruti Suzuki and its supply and retail chain only. Students can also be employed by other car makers, thereby addressing the huge skill gap issue being faced by the Indian automotive industry in the present scenario. Maruti Suzuki has invested over ₹6 crores in GIM Mehsana and is part of their company's CSR initiatives for skill development. Students willing to enroll for this course need to pay a fees of Rs 8,500 per semester, which is quite low considering you start off with a salary of around Rs 11,000 after completing the course. Admission criteria for all courses is 10th pass and duration of it varies depending on the specialization opted.
So it's been an insightful day here at the gym facility which is supported by Maruti Suzuki, and we have seen students going through a very modern and technically sound curriculum today. What this does is it addresses the skill issue that the entire country and multiple industries, including the automotive industry, is grappling with. Lot of engineering and technical students rolling out every year, but most of them unemployable. Their skills aren't really up to the level where companies can hire them. And that's why such institutes play an important role wherein people can join them and get trained on skills that really matter and make a difference to their lives and the society. This is the reason why we need more such institutes and collaborative efforts from technical institutions and the industry, which includes suppliers as well as car makers, so that the skill challenge can be addressed in a proper way.